This bad boy is an Avasta AV300. We looked this up online and it was $269 on Amazon. You can see it has mechanical disc brakes. Mechanical disc brakes, comes with a kickstand. What else? Comes with a bell. Obviously not the highest suit bike, but it will get a kid on the road or the trail and hopefully make them love cycling. One thing you can see is this fork is basically the stanchion tubes are welded into the crown, which is so funny, so odd. But yeah, cool bike, put it together. And we charge $70 to assemble this bad boy. So hopefully the kid who is getting this enjoys it, and it's done now.